Do lobsters actually feel pain when boiled?
Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into the intriguing question, do lobsters actually feel pain when boiled? It's a topic that has sparked considerable debate and curiosity among scientists, seafood lovers, and animal welfare advocates. So, let's get cracking and explore the fascinating world of lobsters and their perception of pain.
Understanding lobsters.
To begin our exploration, we need to understand a bit about lobsters themselves. Lobsters are crustaceans, marine animals with hard exoskeletons, segmented bodies, and jointed appendages. They belong to a group of invertebrates, which means they lack a backbone or spinal cord.
The nature of pain.
Now, let's talk about pain. Pain is a complex neurological phenomenon that typically serves as a protective mechanism in animals, warning them of potential harm or damage to their bodies. It involves specialized nerve cells, known as nociceptors, that transmit signals to the brain, triggering a response to alleviate or avoid the source of the pain.
Lobsters and nervous systems.
Here's where things get interesting. Lobsters do have a nervous system, but it differs significantly from the nervous systems found in mammals, including humans. While lobsters possess a collection of nerves known as a ganglia, which enables them to sense their environment and respond to stimuli, they lack a centralized brain like mammals have.
The debate on lobster pain perception.
Now, let's address the big question. Do lobsters actually feel pain when boiled? The scientific community is divided on this matter. Some researchers argue that since lobsters lack a complex brain and the necessary brain regions associated with pain perception, their responses to boiling water might be purely reflexive, akin to a simple, automatic response.
Reflexes versus conscious pain experience.
To understand the reflexive nature of lobster responses, let's consider an example. When humans touch a hot object, their immediate reaction is to retract their hand without consciously feeling pain. Similarly, lobsters have been observed to exhibit reflexive behaviors when exposed to boiling water, such as thrashing their tails or moving their limbs to escape the heat.
Potential indicators of pain.
While reflexes suggest a more instinctive response rather than conscious pain perception, some scientists argue that certain behaviors exhibited by lobsters might indicate the possibility of pain. These behaviors include prolonged struggling, attempting to shed their exoskeleton, or avoiding noxious stimuli in future encounters.
Assessing pain in lobsters.
To better understand pain in lobsters, researchers have been conducting studies to assess their responses to different stimuli. These experiments involve evaluating physiological and behavioral indicators, such as changes in heart rate, stress hormone levels, and avoidance behaviors. However, the interpretation of these indicators and their correlation to pain remains a subject of scientific investigation. In conclusion, the question of whether lobsters truly feel pain when boiled is still a topic of ongoing scientific debate. While lobsters possess a nervous system and exhibit certain behaviors that might suggest pain-like responses, the absence of a complex brain like mammals raises questions about the conscious experience of pain in these creatures. Further research is needed to better understand the nature of pain in lobsters and to determine the most humane methods for handling and cooking them. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating and complex topic of lobster pain perception. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.